Alright, we're going to do a quick lesson here on how to use the projection function. Okay, so I just have this 3D shape here. And if you ever want to reference a side in another sketch, so if you're trying to connect a couple things together, if you just want to match up points, this projection tool is super useful. The other way that you can use this is if you put an image, you trace edges, and you want to project those into another sketch. Okay, but notice here what I'm doing is I'm trying to draw a rectangle, but I can't quite get it lined up with the edge. So if I go down here into my tools and select project, it will select any shape that's available. So you see when I mouse over it shows the whole square here. Or if I just want to reference some of these points, so if I click on all 4 points in that corner, now if you see if I turn off my shape, I have those 4 points referenced in this new sketch. Okay, that allows you to draw something that will connect to another body pretty easily. Okay, and here I'm just going to select the whole square shape, okay, and see how it projects that out. Okay, this is also useful if you're importing an object from somebody else's work, or something that you find online maybe that you want to 3D print. You can use the points that are on that object to project. Okay, so here I'm just showing you what you can do with that projection. So I'm going to use it to either add or take away from the existing drawing that I already have. Okay, if I wanted to, I could use it to add some lines that I know are going to line up. Okay, so this is a midpoint in both directions. Okay, and then I'm going to just add a circle in the middle. Remember, because this is referenced in the project, it's always going to be lined up perfectly with my other body that's already drawn. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to extrude some of these parts. Okay, and for example, this might be a key that fits into a slot that you're using to spin this or to lock it into place to another part. Okay, and I can choose to either join them, make them one piece, or I can select a new body. Alright, so that's how I use the project tool. We will see you in the next lesson.